Today we're making this 3-ingredient cranberry sauce. This super easy recipe comes together in under 10 to 15 minutes. Let's get started. To a pot on the stove, we need 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of orange juice. If you don't care for orange juice, you can easily substitute it for pomegranate juice, or even do half orange juice and half pomegranate juice. We're going to let the sugar dissolve and then add in 12 ounces of fresh cranberries. On medium-high heat, we're going to keep stirring until the cranberries start to break down, which can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know you're on the right track when your berries start to pop open. To me, they kind of look like freeze-dried Skittles when they pop. What makes your cranberry sauce thicken is the release of pectin when the cranberries burst open, plus the sugar. That's why it's important not to use anything less than half a cup of sugar if you're really trying to cut back on using a full cup. If you're not a big fan of straight-up sugar, swap it out for some honey. If you want to add something special to your cranberry sauce, add in the zest of an orange or even cinnamon sticks. Pretty sure Gordon Ramsay uses a pinch of salt and pepper in his cranberry sauce. Yes, you can make your cranberry sauce ahead of time. It'll sit well in the fridge, covered for 3 to 4 days in advance. Once most of your cranberries have popped, and it's been roughly 10 minutes, remove them from the stove. I don't like a lot of chunkies in my cranberry sauce. I prefer it more wet than thick and chunky, so for me, I'm gonna mash most of the bigger pieces. Personal preference. This will thicken over time, especially in the fridge. Let your cranberry sauce cool before sticking it in the fridge. My cranberry sauce is gonna hang out in this storage container until I'm ready to swap it into a more fancier container. Here's a very short ingredients list. If you like this video, check out yesterday's video. We put together a delicious cranberry brie bread bowl using this very sauce. Check back in tomorrow for more Thanksgiving Day recipes every day this week. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.